O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who suffer from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. Daksh already showing the activity. Very good. Okay, I will mark here, Daksh. Okay. Anyone else? Those who didn't show on last Friday? Anyone else? Okay. So we are discussing. Last day we discussed about. Are you remembering?
Numbers.
Numbers. Very good. Numbers. Okay. And we also discuss one digit numbers. Now, Abel, which are the one digit numbers? Others, please be quiet. Okay, Abel, tell me, which are the one digit numbers? Which are the one digit numbers?
1, 2, 3, 9.
1, 2, 9. Or we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these numbers are called one digit numbers. Now, what is another name for one digit number, Namasi? Another name for one digit number?
Single digit number.
Very good. Single digit numbers. Okay. Now, which is the smallest one digit number, Daksh? Smallest one digit number?
1.
1. Okay. Adon, which is the largest one digit number, Adon? Largest one digit number?
9.
9. Very good. So you all are remembering. Okay. Now tell me the spelling one. Elaine, tell me the spelling one.
O-N-E-1.
Very good. Mia, what about the 2? Tell me the spelling. 2. Mia, what is the spelling of 2?
T. W.
O.
O.
Okay. Now, Nakshatra, tell me the spelling. 3.
T-H-E.
T-H-R-E-E. Once again. T-H-R-E-E. Okay, good. Now, Nomiga, what about the 4?
F-O-U-R.
Very good. Sasha, tell me 5.
F-I-V-E. 5.
Ira, 6.
X-I-X. 6.
Very good, very good. Ameya, 7. Tell me the spelling of 7, Ameya.
S-E-V-E-N. 7.
Very good, 7. Gauri, 8. The spelling of 8.
E-H-E.
E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now, Amrin, what about 9?
E.
N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Okay. Now, these things we can write in the notebook. Okay. Now, please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook. Let me share the screen. So you can write. Are you all ready? Shall we start?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. So chapter C-H-A-P-T-E-R. Chapter 3.
Ma'am, right?
Yes. Please mute your device. Chapter 3. Isa, what's the name of the chapter? What's the name of the chapter, Isa? What's the name of the chapter? What you're discussing nowadays? Oh, numbers. Unmute and tell me. I can't hear. Numbers. Now tell me the spelling numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. N-U-M-B. No need to take the notebook, workbook or textbook, Nakshatra. You have the notebook with you? Do you have the notebook with you? Yes. So please take that. Please take a fresh page. And if you don't have, take the rough book and write. Shall we move to next line?
Show them.
Okay, right. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. S. We can write the next line. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. C-O-U-N-T. That means count. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. That means counting. We are counting the numbers, or we are counting the objects using numbers. Counting. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Counting numbers. From F-R-O-M. From one. Nikit, right? Counting numbers from 1 to counting numbers from 1 to 9. 1 to 9. Counting numbers from 1 to 9. Now, as like last previous day, we are drawing the bowls. Okay, so you can draw one bowl in one box. And listen here. Not only that, you have to leave some space. I will show you my book. The same way you can also do in your own book. See, ma'am is written like this, no? The same way. We draw one bowl and 2 bowl, 3 bowl, 4 bowl, 5 bowl, like that, and 9 bowls we will draw.
I cannot see the book.
You cannot see. What about now?
Yeah.
Yes. Those who can't see, I will draw. Just I show, that's all. Okay, we can draw together. We can start from the rightmost first column. Okay, rightmost first column. We are going to draw bowls. So we will draw 1 here. Here we will draw 2. So what about the next one? 3. Like that, we have to draw 9 balls.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
write it.
Yeah, you have to write in the notebook. Then the last ball, 9 balls we draw. And the next column means this one. See this one. Here we can write write the number of balls. Okay. So here we can see this row we have.
Ma'am, Sanvi didn't write the ball.
Okay. We can write the number 1. Then below the first one, count the number of balls. We can see 2. So 2. Then we can see 3 balls, 4 balls, 5 balls, 6 balls, 7 balls, 8
Ma'am.
balls, 9.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
write his number in the side.
You have to write the number, and near to the number, we will write the number name also. As like last day we discussed in the class, no? The same way.
Okay.
Krishank, what is the spelling of 1? What is the spelling of 1, Krishank? Unmute and tell me.
O
Uh,
N E.
Very good. So we can write
Finish, ma'am.
O-N-E. 1. Those who have completed, please be quiet.
Finish, ma'am.
Those who have completed, please be quiet. Aradhya, show me the notebook. You have completed. It's not clear, my dear. If you have completed, it's okay. Please be quiet. Okay, good. Very good. Aditya, tell me the spelling 2. Okay, very good. Very good. You continue. Continue. Yes, Vaigurthan?
Write the number. No.
Yes, yes.
Write the number.
You have to write the number and number name.
Ma'am.
Very good. You have to write the number name. Near to the number, you have to write the number name. Okay. No need to go to the next page. Near to the number, you can write. Near to the number, you write. If you don't have space in the same page, you do one thing. The next page, you have to write the numbers 1 to 9 and you have to write the number. You can also do like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Now we can move to next one. 3. Sanvi, tell me the spelling 3.
THREE.
Okay,
Three.
good. Now,
Srinadi.
Srinidhi, tell me 4. Spelling 4.
FOUR. 4.
Very good. Sarah Batul, tell me the spelling 5.
FIVE. 5.
Okay.
Ma'am, Ritika.
Ritika, tell me 6.
SIX.
Very good. Now, Rituparna, tell me the spelling 7.
SCVN.
Good girl. SEVEN 7. Now, Alasia, 8.
EIGHT.
Okay, good. EIGHT. Now, Nasafsal, 9.
NINE. 9.
NINA. Okay, Elaine completed. Good girl. We can wait for others. Let them complete. Okay. Ritika, right? Okay, Sanvi, good.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, Srinadi.
Srinidhi completed. Okay, Srinidhi. Srinidhi, I can't see.
Ma'am, Namika's completed.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, Ayush, good. You can keep it down your notebook.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ നല്ലതായിട്ട്
Okay. See, what about others? Shall we move to next page?
No.
Okay, right, Sarah. Sarah, right.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Those who didn't complete, please write first. Please be quiet. This board 2021 is Wilbur. What about the other one? Board 21. Its name is not written.
Wilbur.
Okay, what about the other one? Orville. Where is Orville?
I am teacher.
Yes, Wilbur.
Ma'am, completed.
Wilbur, where is Orville? Please unmute and talk to me. Let me take the attendance, that's why.
Not well. Not well.
Shall we move to the next one? All of you are completed.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Is there anyone to complete?
No.
Is there anyone to complete?
No.
Completed, please be quiet.
Yes.
Okay, please complete it. Okay, Krishan completed.
Now I got this book. Ma'am, I have completed.
Please be quiet.
I have completed, ma'am.
Okay, we have winner. Is there anyone to complete? Is there anyone to complete?
Complete.
Ritika, right? Ritika, right first.
Ma'am, can you share the board? Complete.
Those who have completed, please be quiet. Some are there to complete it. Idea? Gauri Krishna, I didn't understand. Your voice is breaking. And I can't see you also. Ira Sian is present? Ira Sian?
Yes.
Yes. Then Ishwak Noora? Ishwak? Ishwak is present? I didn't see Ishwak. Anyway. Wilbur, what happened to Orville? Please unmute and tell to me. What happened to Orville? Not well. You touch it only once the device. Now I can hear. Please tell me louder.
It's having fever. It's having. Ma'am, Philip. Not Philip.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ritika, you completed?
Yes.
So please check another page. Okay, next we can start. We have 3 more minutes. So let me share the screen. You can write in the next page. Okay, now we are writing about the 1-digit number. So let us write. You can write as points, and we have the first point here. So you can put a small circle with a pencil. Okay, then we can write the first point. THE. THE. The
The
Numbers. The numbers. Numbers. The numbers. Is.
Can you
Yes, Srinidhi?
can you spell this numbers?
You write now the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. What happens, Sira Batul? Are you writing? Yes. C-A-L-L-E-D. Call. What we call?
Ma'am,
Yes.
write the numbers.
Yes, Sarah.
Can you write the book, ma'am?
Yes, Sarah.
Can you write the numbers?
Can you write the numbers? Means you have to see the previous page. You want to see the previous screen. Show me the notebook, Sarah. Show me the notebook. Sarah Batul, please show me the notebook. Let me see where you reached. That's all. Okay, what we call these numbers, Arav? The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are called dash. What is the answer, Arav?
digit number. One digit number.
Arav, listen here and tell me the answer. One digit numbers. All of you write one, a small hyphen, D-I-G-I-T, digit, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, one digit numbers. You can underline that word. Now, what is another word for one digit numbers? Daniel, please unmute and tell me. What is another name for one digit numbers? What is another name for one digit numbers?
Single digit number.
Single digit numbers. What's the meaning of single?
Only one.
Single means one. Very good. So please write this sentence and underline the important words. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are called one digit numbers or single digit numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are called one digit numbers or single digit numbers. Single, S-I-N-G-L-E, single. Nathaniel, what happened? Where is the notebook and pencil? Yes, can be completed. What about others? If you have completed, you show me the thumbs up. Then I can understand. Then we can move to the next point. The numbers 1. Yes, Sarah. Very good. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are called one-digit numbers or single-digit numbers. Okay. Now we can move to the next line. H-E. The who didn't complete?
Ritika.
Ritika, right?
I don't completed. Namaste.
Okay, good, good, good. Yes, the smallest SMALLES, right? The smallest SMALLEST, the smallest. Ritika, right? The smallest SMALLEST, smallest one digit, 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 one digit. One digit number, NUMBER, number. This word number will comes many times in this chapter because we are studying about the numbers. The smallest one digit number, the smallest one digit number is, complete the sentence, is what? The smallest one digit number is, what is the answer? Smallest one digit number. Louder.
1.
1. So we can write the number 1. The smallest one digit number is 1. The smallest one digit number is 1. Let us try to one more point. If the smallest one digit number is 1, what about the greatest number? Which is the greatest number? 9. All should write during the class time. Okay. Some are not writing, simply sitting. In the beginning, you may have some difficulty in writing, but you have to write. You can write the next point. THE, the. Now, Daniel, are you listening here? The largest, LARGEST, the largest. You can complete the sentence now. If he wrote the smallest one digit number is 1, then what will be the next sentence? The largest. Who will tell?
What? 9.
One digit.
1 digit.
Continue.
9.
Number is.
Number is 9.
9. Very good.
It's 9.
So only these 3 points today we are writing. The smallest one digit number is 1. The largest one digit number is 9. Okay. So if you have completed, you can close your notebook. Alright? So one daily test paper will be there that I will put it in the forward in the group. Okay, so that you can do after the class. Means maybe afternoon I will send it because I have continuous class. So the daily test paper I will send it in the group. And one more thing, tomorrow you should be ready with the 20 matchsticks. Got it? Tomorrow you should be ready with the 20 matchsticks. Matchsticks is good. It's available, I think, in the home. Okay. If it is not there, you can take the broomstick, 20 pieces, small 20 pieces, broomsticks or earbuds. Any one. 20, number 20. That much should be there. Okay. 20 matchsticks or broomsticks or what we can say next one, earbuds. And two or three rubber band also. Rubber bands.
Ma'am Zahra.
You can keep it down. Please put your book down. Keep it down. It's okay. You have completed. Very good.
Ma'am, Ritika is not complete.
Ritika, it's time to winding up the session. I will forward the note in the group. Okay, Ritika. It's time to winding up the session. You can complete. See, already you written the second point now. The smallest one digit number is 1. Then you can write your own. The largest one digit number is 9. Okay. All of you please listen once again. Once again what I told. Tomorrow you should be ready with your 20 matchsticks, or you can be ready with anyone, only matchsticks or broomsticks, small piece of broomsticks or earbuds. It's your choice. Okay. How many? 20. And 2 or 3 rubber bands. Got it?
40.
Okay. Thank you for joining. We will meet in the next class. Bye.
Bye.